There is a lot of debate on where the stuffed cabbage originated from. Almost every European and Asian country has their own version of stuffed cabbage. The general concept is very similar. It is filling, meat or vegetarian, wrapped in a boiled cabbage leaves. In this video I'll show you Russian-style stuffed cabbage, which is also called голубцы, which literally means a small pigeon. But I can assure you there is really no pigeons inside of this recipe. Hi friends, my name is Ilya and I'm a food enthusiast. Welcome to my channel. If you never tried голубцы or Russian-style cabbage, you absolutely must. This is one of the most famous Russian comfort foods. Preparation takes a bit of time, but it's worth the effort. In this video I'll actually share with you 3 recipes which include dishes you can make from the leftover ingredients, so stay tuned. You can find a list of ingredients in the description of this video below. Step 1. Remove the leaves from the cabbage. You need 2 to 3 green or white cabbage heads for this recipe. Remove core from the cabbage, boil water in a large pot, add 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1¼ cup of red vinegar, and put cabbage in the water. Stem side down and cook for about 5 minutes. Flip it over and cook for another 5 minutes. In the process you will see leaves starting to fall apart. Start detaching the leaves and cook them until they are soft and turn slightly yellow. Repeat the same process with remaining cabbage. From leftover cabbage you can make a nice dish called solянка. It's not a soup version. You would need a sauté cabbage, sliced onion, shredded carrots, and add some sliced up hot dogs, diced tomatoes, salt, pepper, parsley, and some spices. Almost forgot. Add 4 tablespoons of ketchup. Very important. This is what it's gonna look like. Step 2. Making meat filling. First you need to make parboiled rice. Basically it means not a fully cooked rice. I'm using 2 cups of rice for my recipe. Wash rice in a cold water until the water is clear. Boil water, add 1 teaspoon of salt and boil rice in the water for 4 minutes, then rinse well. Use 2 pounds of ground beef. You can also mix up 1 pound of beef and 1 pound of pork. Heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Sauté 3 shredded carrots, 1 chopped onion. When it's softened, add 1½ cup of tomato paste. You can also use marinara sauce. Let it simmer for another few minutes, then add it to the meat mixture. Add 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, chopped dill and parsley. Add rice and mix it all really well. Our meat filling is ready. And if you like my videos, click like, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell so you never miss my future videos. Step number 3. Wrapping process. Cut the stem part from the leaves. It will make them softer and easier to fold. You can cut larger leaves in half, remove the middle stem part. Take about 2 tablespoons of meat filling and roll it in. Fold the sides, just like that. Then I put голубцы in a pan with some avocado oil and fry them on medium heat for a couple of minutes on each side. Step number 4. Making the sauce. Sauté 2 shredded carrots and 1 onion on the avocado oil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, some seasoning. I personally like to add red pepper flakes for the light heat. Once carrots and onions are soft, stir in 2 tablespoons of sour cream and 1 cup of tomato paste or marinara sauce. Simmer it for a few minutes and add it to the pot with the stuffed cabbage. You can put sauce in layers. A layer of stuffed cabbage covered with a layer of sauce. Add some water on top to make sure stuffed cabbage is fully covered. Put the pot on the high heat and cook it in a medium for 45 minutes after it boils. If you have some meat filling left, you can make meatballs out of it by adding 1 egg, shaping and cooking it in a pressure cooker covered with marinara sauce for about 20 minutes. Super simple and tastes great. Alright, our stuffed cabbage is ready. This is what it looks like. And it tastes great. You can serve it with sour cream. I also like to add some marinara sauce on top. Thank you for watching. If you'd like me to cover any other recipes in my future videos, please add comments down below. See you soon.